2560 here. Alright guys, welcome back. Today we got our 7260 on the field cultivator. Just over there, Dan has the 8410 on the finisher. To knock out a bunch of acres today. It's working up really good here. Might be just a touch wet, but it doesn't appear the sun's gonna come out. Mike was out cutting all that rye last night, and then Travis took over early this morning. This spine's been running since 1:30 yesterday. Marty took my spot in the field cultivator. Dad's down in the bottoms with the finisher. Mike took the planter down there. I'm back in here, obviously. Mike started cutting yesterday at like 1:30. He ran it till 3 o'clock this morning, and then Travis took over. And Mike took over for a little bit. Now I'm back in it. So we're on our third fill up here since we started. This machine hasn't sat at all. Constantly running. We greased it. Travis blew out the radiator. I'll try to get as much footage as I can, but it's more important to keep things moving around here than it is to record all this. So I apologize if it's not perfectly or in chronological order or whatever here. Just doing my best. So today's the 21st. We haven't been able to get into the fields since like about the 16th, other than Mike started with the disc vine yesterday. We weren't able to get any more corn in until today. But they're going at it with 2 planters now. Our neighbor came in and helped us out. Like we get this little area here at the end of our field when we were seeding the rye. This field was actually no-tilled into cocktail, but it was with our normal drill. It actually turned out quite well. There's a few areas that are a little shorter here. As you can see, this is a pretty big field over here. Keep us busy for a long time, a couple hours here. This field's actually a little drier than the other ones we were in. Not putting mud on the front of the head like we were in the other fields. It was supposed to be sunny today. Well, it was supposed to be sunny all week, but weatherman was wrong. We must have checked the wrong weather app or something. He's trying to sneak it in this window here. See there up ahead, Marty just got to that big 20-acre field there. He's got the field cultivator on the 7260. Update here, it's 3 o'clock, things are going good. We got all that done and all that left. It should be done in an hour hopefully, and then it's on to the next one. We've got company. It's just the nephews. You got anything to say?
We're in
8 o'clock update. Got about 5 fields left, I think. Might be another long evening here. We'll see. It's 11 o'clock here. We're in some pretty good stuff here. It's almost headed out. It's important that we get it cut before it heads out, else the quality really goes down here. Got a couple hours left and then we'll call her a day. It's midnight, we're burning the midnight oil here. This field's really good here. It's the best field I've cut so far. We got one more like 5 or 6 acre field left after this. Then we'll get a little sleep and hopefully start chopping in the morning or sometime tomorrow. We'll just have to see how if it's ready or not. It is 1 o'clock here and we are all finished up. Time to head for home and get some rest here. If you enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, guys. Take care. We'll catch you in the next video.